Hey guys, welcome back to today's Lotto lecture. Today we're going to be looking at Break the Bank. 3 things before we get into this video though. I'm not affiliated with the Florida Lottery. This is for educational purposes only, and play responsibly. And with that out of the way, let's play smarter. Alright guys, today we're looking at Break the Bank. The 1 million top prize is worth $606,700. The ticket price is $5. Overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.94. And it was launched just like yesterday's ticket on September 22nd, 2025. These are going to be the odds of each prize. On the left, you'll see the prize amount. In the middle, you'll see what the odds were at launch. And on the right, you'll see the number of prizes each prize bracket had. What we're going to look at today is we're going to look at the 1 million top prize, and then we're going to look at what's in a book, so anything from 1 in 60 downward. These are going to be the adjusted prize odds for Break the Bank. So as each ticket gets bought and the top prizes are left unclaimed, it's going to get better and better and better. So the formula we're going to be using is the number of top prizes remaining divided by the number of winning tickets left times the overall odds. So this is going to be our first step, our second step, our third step, and then we're going to come out to 1 in 2.9 million. And since the original odds were 1 in 3.5 million, this means it's going to be 22% more likely to win a prize of $1 million or more than it was at launch. Alright, now let's see how this stacks up compared to our other tickets. So it's important to calculate the chances per dollar since not every ticket costs the same. 300 is divisible by all the ticket prices, so we're going to assume that this is going to be our budget. And then we're going to compare it with our current top ticket, which is 1 million holiday cash. So the formula we use is it's one top prize times the $300 budget divided by the cost of the ticket all over every X tickets. So for 1 million holiday cash, it's going to be 15 over 1.9 million, and we're going to get 1 in 131,000 for every $300 spent. For Break the Bank, that's going to be 60 over 2.9 million, which is going to give us 1 in 49,000 for every $300 spent. That makes this ticket over 2 times better for hitting $1 million or more. Alright, this is going to be the expected value per book. So the formula we're going to be using is going to be the prize amount times the number of prizes in the book for each prize bracket divided by the book cost. So for Break the Bank, that's going to look like 20, 15, 60, 30 over 300, which is going to give us 0.416 for a 42% return. These are the numbers from earlier, so this is how we're getting these numbers. And then books of $5 tickets are going to contain 60 tickets. 42% return represents how much money we'd expect to win back on an average book. Since it's below 50%, I wouldn't play expecting to make a lot of money back. But it's going to make up for it with its better million hit odds. And since the odds of a top prize in any book right now are going to be 1 in 49,000, it's exactly the same since $300 is the cost of a book. So to summarize, from November 6th, the odds of a top prize on any one ticket are going to be 1 in 2.9 million. The odds of a top prize in any one book are going to be 1 in 49,000. Your expected return when buying a book is going to be about 42%. And this so far is the best ticket for odds we have discussed, but falls a bit short in book return. So at the bottom here, this is our Florida Lottery tier list. I'm slowly adding each game as we cover it. I'm going to place Break the Bank as our new best ticket, followed by Holiday Cash, followed by Diamond Spectacular. Just because its million odds are so much better than the other ones. And the book return is about where the other ones are. It's not too bad, not too good. Now we're going to scratch one just for fun. Oh well, nothing this time. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's Lotto lecture. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lecture on Triple Red Sevens. And be sure to write down in the comments if there's any particular ticket you want me to break down next. And remember to play responsibly, but also play smarter.